Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful, superb Sunday here in Hawaii Nate. Yes, sir. Wishing everybody a great weekend. And today is going to be another beautiful day at Amazon. Let's go.
Because we're drifting away from the standard market, and we're seeing a lot of that. People are taking it their own.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the loading zone. And it says here that I have 225 packages today. Let's go. Grabbing our stuff's about to load up. No, plenty totes today. Love it. What's up, everybody? Closing tonight. Everybody else came back. Just two more people, and we'll be foul. Yeah, good job, everybody out there. I know it's raining, but you guys killed it. All right, drive safely. Until next time, day 71. Let's go. Whew, finally done for the night. Yep, heading home now. You guys have a good night. Shoot.
So it does cost money to the company if you get stock and you
Ladies and gentlemen, we are done for the day. Did a rescue with Sean Davis, and yeah, beautiful day today. About to head home. Just did my DVIC. About to head home. Y'all have a great day, great night, whatever it is. Shoot it. Bro, one thing I want to trip out on was I did Eho Apartments, which takes super long. But then I want to deliver everything else, and then did a rescue.